see the prototype or we will see the prototype or a idea for face recognition project. So the we will try to make a prototype on automatic attendance system using face recognition using OpenCV library and face Python library. So the workflow is first we have to create to, the main aim is to create a smart automatic attendance system by live recording of the face. So the workflow of the main workflow of the attendance system is creating a data set and training the data set, testing the face and recognition the face, and send the message to the mail or in a Google spreadsheet. So what is the apparatus required? Raspberry Pi cam, touchscreen monitor, LED, ultrasonic sensor, internet access, Python, OpenCV. These are the apparatus we have to. We need Raspberry Pi and PyCam are both nearly 2500 connecting. So total cost and the touchscreen maybe 900. The total cost maybe 3600, 3004, 4000. Nearly it is 4000. This is the workflow. Creating the data set and then pre-process the data and training the data, getting embeddings, and this is these are workflow are all done by the Raspberry Pi or in the Python itself. So we don't have anything. So after completed the LED glows or a motor rotates, so then we will move. So this is the block diagram. We will discuss about it later. So this is the references. Let us go for a demo. For that, let us go for a demo. Now we will see the demo of live face recording about this project. So first we will see this. I created the project. First we will see the demo and then we will see what is the coding. Not coding, just a demo. So first when you open this attendance shortcut, it will open the page like this. So in this page it is there register, test, attendance and exit. When we press the exit, it will close the application. This is the attendance for register. This is attendance which is usually we are using. So this attendance, this program is equal to this program. But I am running this because but why I don't show this one because it takes more time to open. So that's why I use it. I'm using this one. So in application we will use this one only. This is for registering and this is for testing of all the this is for testing for the face register. First one, if we see a demo, we will get clarity on it. First on registering this one, it is coming like this. Enter your name. So Kumar. So enter your roll number. Not one. This is this is mainly made for only for specific block or specific class attendance system, not for general attendance system. So it takes up to. So it is accessing my camera. We'll see. It's a that's why because there are many modules in the Python, so we have to register it. So camera is taking my photos. Here you can see camera is taking my entire photo and it's processing. And at last we will see a error. Why I am seeing an error? There is just only one photo in data set. How can a machine knows when there is only one person in data set? How can it differentiate between two persons or three persons? So we have to add another one more phase for this one. So for that I am using my colleague in this project, Mr. Y Money, for registering another photo phase. So I am using Y Money, whose roll number is 206, and then pressing enter. So we will wait for loading that one. So here as you can see it takes photos of one in process 60 photos, 30 photos of me, 30 photos of Y Money. It is done before the daily attendance system. It should be done before itself only. So this process takes time, or it is depends on GPU or TPU and etc. So the registration is confirmed. Let us test whether it is com- it is distinguished between me and money. So when I am opening this test button, it also don't start video camera. That's all. Like this it's showing. So let's we have to wait because it is showing, it is loading all the effects and all the modules in the Python. So it's just these all the process we have to done before the attendance itself only. This process is only one time itself. Starting the video cam. Wait, we have to wait few more seconds. Actually, this train I have already done that processing and training also. Just we have to checking whether, sorry for delay. So I distinguish between me and Y money. We are showing here is me, and if he is become closer, when we can say this showing Y money is the confidence of 83%. Showing for me is the confidence of 97% here. So this is testing. So by this we can see we have confirmed that this is our face. The machine knows the face is belongs to Kumar, roll number 201. So now the main agenda of this, it directly acts this face. It directly when I am enter to the class, directly my number should enter into the attendance form. So for that I am just stopping this one and again going to attendance here. Here attendance form. So this ordinance is also somewhat late or somewhat. In the meanwhile, we will go into the browser to check where the ordinance is started. So how to check the ordinance? Here we will go in the spreadsheet. Go to spreadsheet. So it already opened. So when it takes my photo, it's showing the Kumar. The Kumar ordinance is after noting of ordinance, it is opened. Okay, then actually, see, after noting attendance, it shows it is Kumar. Then second time also, so I am still there, so it is showing second entry also Kumar. So when I am clicking this exit, it will exit. So now I am showing you how this one is opening. So here face recognition spreadsheet is there. So last entry, here you can see here you can see the time. The time is now almost 17:01. So here it's showing this is the last two entries that we made here. So this like this our attendance is not in the automatic attendance portal. So these are all the entries I have made previous. This one you can see time and date. 17:17 means approx 5 o'clock. Here also 5:02. So just now we made this one. So this expression, like this automatic attendance is made in the, so we will check once again how it works. I clear all the data, delete, and I am again running attendance. So let's see what will happen. Is it working? So so we closed the expression. So we have to again open this one because then we click on the exit button in the open in the video page. So we will see now. how it is accessing. This is spreadsheet view. I am using spreadsheet API for this one. So it is loading face detector. So these are all the trash values that is coming here. That means you will see like in the test process and pre-process mode stage, we are getting many trash values, which is not important for us. Just it is a Python code. In GUI which we have created at the starting is does not contain is all the trash values, but it has to start before itself only. So here you can see here. I am closing this one. Wait. I have to wait. Sorry for this delay. So you can see here attendance is noted first one. After noting of attendance, it is showing it is Kumar here. So when we click OK, it will go to the next one. This this is GUI. My laptop is having some RAM problem, so it is coming slowly. So once again you can see if I okay, come on. If I put for money, we will see what will happen. Here it changes. Here not updated. Again I came into the. So here when clicking this, you can exit. Or you can clicking this also, you can exit. This is the so here you can see the attendance like this. It happen in the automatic attendance system, which is made for the specific class or specific set of people only. The data set that we have to create before itself only by the operator. So because if only 1 or 2% means we can do at the time, but if 150 200,000 people means we have to do before, and GPU is also very important for this GPU speed and also and that one. So for this you can see here the project. So we have this program is for registering our page into the program to the program that we have created before itself. This is for connecting the face to the spreadsheet. This is this is for simple here. This is the main program. First to the initial page we have seen that one that menu bar is due to this program, and this is the live page. This is the this is the exact original program for the detecting the face and giving attendance for us. So here we can see embeddings. Many deep learning models are created in this for a great accuracy also. So this code and all I have posted in GitHub, and the GitHub link is produced in the comment section. Okay, thank you. Block diagram of how the implementation of that face recognition program in a Raspberry Pi. So I don't have a Raspberry Pi right now, so I have created a block diagram using Proteus simulation software. I can't simulate it because there is a problem with VSP software to connect the Python code to this Proteus software. So just see the block diagram. What is the functionality? So I have used a monitor, LED monitor, and this is a serial port pin. This is the Raspberry Pi, and this is the LED motor, and this is the motor, and this is the ultrasonic sensor. What is this one means? Here the Raspberry Pi is connected with this GPIO 16 this ultrasonic sensor. Why it is? Because as we think, the main aim of this one is to implement. Here we will connect this because we will put this one. We will try to implement this as for every class. Try to implement so a person standing at a specific distance. Then only the camera will read the person's face, or else no memory is wasted. So we are using the ultrasonic sensor. This is motor, and this motor drive for just checking if a person is detected of that class. It rotates clockwise. If a person is detected anti-clockwise, it is rotates anti-clockwise. So we will see, this is the serial port connector. It is not in this. Actually, in hardware, this port has not have any priority. It is just for I tried for protest simulation, and this is for LED monitor. So the main data flow is when a person a specific distance before a monitor has standard, then it reads his page and automatically gives the attendance to that class, the Google Sheets or in MySQL server. So this is the prototype that we have to do. We want to do. Thank you.